Subscribe to our channel for more travel related videos and press the bell icon for the notification.
Hi there, welcome to Travel Stars Vlog. Today we will be hiking the Hatta Trail which leads to the Hatta Sign. Dubai to Hatta is 130 kilometers and takes approximately 1.5 hours. Hi guys, we have reached Hatta Wadi Hub. We need to park our vehicle here at Hatta Wadi Hub. We have parked our car here and now we are on the way to do the trekking. So I have with me Nagesh.
Hi,
Let's explore Hatta.
enjoy guys.
Just when you enter the Hatta Wadi Hub, you can find the shop where you can hire the mountain bikes. For the cycling? Can you show? Okay, nice. There is a variety of bikes. You can see the cost of the mountain bikes. You can reach the Hatta Sign either by using the mountain bikes or by hiking. There is lot of places for the kids to play. On the way to the starting point of the hiking, you will find a hanging bridge. Are you ready for the adventure?
Yay!
Let's do it! This is the starting point of the trail and you can see the map. Make sure you take the picture of the map so that you can use it as a guide when you do the hiking. There are a lot of trails here. We will be taking trail number 1. I can see the Hatta sign there. We are gaining the elevation and it's a bit tiring. Maar dala, maar dala. Check out the beautiful view of the Hajar Mountains. almost made it.
Let's get to the finishing point of the trial.
We have finally made it to the Hatta Sign. Nagesh, how was it?
It was good.
Okay, it was tiring and it was fantastic. Nice. Let's check out the drone view.
The view of the mountain is very beautiful.
There are a lot of activities which you can do here.
There is archery, axe throwing, zipline, which is 350 meters with the breathtaking views of the mountain, Hatta drop-in, where you will be launched in the slides straight into the plunge pool, which is definitely worth a try. And there is tube sliding, where you will be sliding in the grass down the hill on a tube, taking exciting speeds. Then there is zorbing, rolling down the hill in a giant plastic ball, which is completely crazy. Once you reach the Hatta Sign, you can come down by mountain cart. Definitely we need to try all these activities. All are worth it. Do check it.
I should say this is one of the best hiking I had done. Hiking in UAE is very beautiful. Finally, we completed this trial successfully.
The direction to the Hatta Wadi Hub and the location map will be shared in the description.
We are back at the place from where we started. This was a nice experience. It's a good place for a family trek, 4 hours trek, and with a beautiful signage and a beautiful view of the mountains. And it's a little bit tiring. So Nagesh, how was the experience?
Really tiring, but it was good experience when we went at the Hatta Sign. All the tiredness flew away.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with another new video. Till then, take care.